Do you know how to check the power steering fluid level in the truck? My name is Vitor and I'm going to show you how to do it. The power steering system is vital for effortless steering and maneuvering of your truck, especially under heavy loads or in tight spaces. Maintaining the right level of power steering fluid is key to its operation. Today, I'll guide you through checking the power steering fluid level in your truck. Ensure your truck is parked on level ground with the engine turned off. If your truck's power steering fluid reservoir is under the cab, you'll need to safely tilt the cab following your truck's specific procedure. Locate the power steering fluid reservoir. In many trucks, the reservoir is accessible under the front panel, clearly marked for easy identification. If your model requires tilting the cab, do so cautiously, securing it in place to access the reservoir beneath. With the reservoir located, remove the cap, which may have a dipstick attached. Wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, and then remove it again to check the fluid level. The fluid should be between the min and max marks on the dipstick. If the reservoir is translucent, you might be able to check the level directly against mark lines. If the fluid is below the min level, it's time to top it up. Use the type of power steering fluid recommended by your truck's manufacturer to avoid damage to the system. Pour the fluid carefully into the reservoir until it reaches the correct level, being careful not to overfill. After topping up, start your truck and turn the steering wheel from lock to lock a couple of times. This helps to work the new fluid through the system and removes any air bubbles. Check the fluid level again once the system has settled to ensure it's still at the correct mark. Thank you for watching. For more tips on how to keeping your truck on peak condition, don't forget to subscribe to Valvoline channel.